Hi there, I'm Neil James Garrod of Neil James Media, a Thetford-based photographer, videographer and drone operator. I specialise in high quality portraits, weddings and promotional content designed to help you cherish memories or maximise your business potential. I strive to make every booking stress-free. My approach is relaxed and creative, whether I'm blending into the background for candid moments or engaging with you for fun shots. It would be a privilege to help bring your vision to life. You can view my work and client testimonials on my website, Trustpilot page and social media channels, particularly my Facebook page where I post regular updates. Thanks for watching. Any help you need, any questions you have, or if you need a quote, please do get in touch and I look forward to the possibility of working with you. Thank you.